Hello my dear students, welcome back to you in your maths class. I am Afroz Alam sir from Shivrat Singh Children Academy. Today I am going to teach you about chapter 4 parts and rules, and today's topic is addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay students, now let's start question number 20. Dear students, please open page number 36. Page number 36. Okay, now let's start question number 20. Question number 20 is simplify. Okay students, now let's start question number 20 of A. Here given that 3 whole 1 over 6 plus 2 whole 2 over 3 minus 1 whole 1 over 4. Okay students, look at here carefully. In this question, firstly we have to convert the given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay students, firstly we have to change this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay, look at here carefully. Here given that 3 whole 1 over 6. Firstly we take the multiplication of 6 and 3, then add 1. Okay, here we can write 6 into 3 plus 1 total upon 6, plus similarly in this fraction, look, we have to take the multiplication of 3 by 2, then add 2 divided by 3, minus 4 into 1, 4 into 1 plus 1 total upon 4. Okay students, look at it carefully. After multiplying these we get 6 3 is 18 plus 1 over 6 plus 3 2 is 6 plus 2 over 3 minus 4 1 is 4 plus 1 over 4. Okay, again after adding these we get 18 plus 1 is 19. 18 plus 1 is equal to 19 over 6 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 8 over 3 minus 4 plus 1 is 4 plus 1 is equal to 5 over 4. Okay, understand? Okay students, look at denominator part. Here given that 6 3 and here 4. Dear students, 6 3 and 4 are not same denominator. Okay, therefore we can take the LCM of 6 3 and 4. Here we have to take the LCM of 6 3 and 4. Okay, here we have to take 2 3 is 6. This one we know that 3 is not divisible by 2, therefore here we can take 3 as same. 2 2 is 4. 3 is not divisible by 2, 3 is not divisible by 2, but 2 is divisible by 1, therefore 2 1 is 2. Here we can take 1. Again 3 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 1. Okay, the distance. Then LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 3 is 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. Here we get 12. Okay, look at here carefully. Here given that 6, therefore we know that 6 2 is 12. Here given that 3, here we know that 3 4 is 12. and here given as 4, 4 3 ja 12. It means that if we have to take the multiplication by 2 in this fraction, okay, in numerator and denominator, then we get 12 as denominator. Okay, look at here carefully. Look at here. Here given that 19 over 6. In this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 2 in numerator and denominator, plus in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 4 in numerator and denominator, and in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 3 in numerator and denominator. Okay, distance 5 over 4 multiplied by 3 by multiply by 3. Look, after multiplying these we get 19 to the 38 over 6 to the 12 plus 8 4 the 24, 8 4 the 32, 8 4 the 32 over 4 3 the 12 minus 5 3 the 15 over 4 3 is 12. Just now look at here carefully. Here we get same denominators. Okay, therefore we can take 12 only one time, and here we can write 38 plus 32 minus 15. Okay, distance. Firstly we have to add this and this, then 15 subtract from this result. Okay, 15 subtracted from this result. Look at here carefully. 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 are 0, carry 1, 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7, minus 15 over 12. 17 minus 15 is 55. Look at here carefully. Here given that 5, 0, and here 5. Here given that 0, here 5. We know that 0 is less than 5. Therefore, we can take one borrow from this 7, and this 0 makes 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. And here 7. Here we get 6 in place of 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. It means that after subtracting these we get 55 over 12. Okay, distance. This is an improper fraction. Here we have to change this improper fraction into a mixed fraction by taking the division of 55 by 12. 12 4 ja 48. Okay, here we get 5, here 8. Here we have to take one borrow from this 5, and this 5 makes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7, and 4 minus 4 is 0. It means that cancel out. Okay, distance. It means that the mixed fraction is 4 whole 7 over 12. 4 whole 7 over 12. This is the answer of this questions. Understand? Okay. If any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. Now read this. Okay, students. Now let's start Question number 20 of B. Question number 20 of B. In this question, here given that 30 minus 3 whole 1 over 5 minus 5 whole 3 over 10. Okay. In this question, here given that 30 minus 3 whole 1 over 5 minus 5 whole 3 over 10. This one, firstly we have to change this and this into an improper fraction. Okay, look at here carefully. Here we can write 30 divided by 1 minus 5 multiplied by 3 plus 1 over 5 minus, in this fraction we can write 10 into 5 plus 3 over 10. Okay, understand? Look at here carefully. 30 over 1 minus, after multiplying these we get 5 3 is 15 5 3 is 15 plus 1 over 5 minus 10 5 is 50 plus 3 over 10. Okay, here given the 30 over 1 minus 15 plus 1 is 16 over 5 minus 50 plus 3 is 53. 50 plus 3 is equal to 53 upon 10. Okay, okay students, look at it carefully. Here 1, here 5 and here 10. Here given that 1, 5 and 10 are not same, therefore we can take the LCM of 5 and 10 to, we know that 5 is not divisible by 2, therefore we can take 5 as same, and 2 5 is 10. 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5. Then LCM is equal to 2 into 5. 2 5 is 10. 2 5 is 10. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Here given that one, we know that 1 into 10 is equal to 10. And here given 5 into 2, 5 2s are 10, and here given that 10 into 1 is equal to 10. Okay, it means that in this fraction we have to multiply, we have to take the multiplication of 10 in numerator and denominator. Okay, and in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 2 in numerator and denominator, and in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 1 in numerator and numerator respectively. Okay, understand? Okay, after multiplying these we get 30 10 is 300 over 10 minus 16 2 is 32 over 10 minus 53 1 is 53 over 10. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. In this fraction, firstly we have to subtract this and this. Okay, then after we have to subtract this from given result. Okay, distance. Look at here carefully. Here given that 10 10 10 are same denominator, therefore we can take 10. Okay, and we can write 300 minus 32 minus 53. Okay, look at here carefully. Here we have, firstly we have to subtract 32 from 300. After subtracting this we get, okay distance, look, firstly we have to take one borrow from this 3 and this 0 make 10. And again we have to take one borrow from this 10 and this 0 makes 10. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8, and here we get 9 in place of 10. 9 minus 3 is equal to 9 minus 3 is equal to 6, and here we get 2 in place of 3. Okay, then here we can write 2 as same. Look, after subtracting this and this, we get 268 minus 53 over 10. Again we have to subtract 53 from 268. Look, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5, 6 minus 5 is 1, and here 2. After subtracting this, we get 215 divided by 10. Okay, take factorization. 215, factorization of 215 and 10. Look at here carefully. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15 into 5 over 2 into 5. Here 5 cancel out. Okay, so again we have to take the division of 43 by 2. After cancel these, we get 43 by 2. This is an improper fraction. Okay, distance. Therefore we can change. Therefore we have to change this improper fraction into a mixed fraction by taking division of 43 by 2. 2 2s are 4. Here we get 3. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Look at here carefully. After dividing this, we get 21 whole 1 over 2. Okay, understand? 21 whole 1 over 2. Okay, son, this is your answer. Understand? If any student have doubt in this question, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Now read this. Okay, students, now let's start next question. Question number 20 of C. Question number 20 of C. Here given that 7 mixed 1 over 6. Here given that 7 whole 1 over 6 minus 2 whole 3 over 4 plus 6 whole 1 over 3. Okay, students, in this question firstly we have to change given mixed fraction into an improper fraction. Okay, look at here carefully. Firstly we have to take the division of 6 by 7 and add 1 total upon 6. Similarly we can solve all. 4 2s are 4 into 2 plus 3 over 4 plus 3 into 6 plus 1 total upon 3. After multiplying this, we get 6 7s are 42 plus 1 over 6 minus 4 2s are 8 plus 3 over 4 plus 3 6 are 18 plus 1 over 3. After adding this, we get 42 plus 1 is 43 over 6 minus 8 plus 3 is 11 over 4 plus 18 plus 1 is 19 over 3. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Here given that 6 4 3 are not same, therefore we can take the LCM of 6 4 3. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Because 3 is not divisible by 2, therefore we can take 3 as same. Again we have to take 2, 3 1 3. 3 1s are 3, 1 1. Then LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Look at here carefully. Here given that 6, here 4 and 3. 6 4 3. That's why we know that if we have to take the multiplication by 6 and 2, then 6 2 is 12, similarly 4 3 is 12, similarly 3 4 is 12. Okay, it means that in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 2 in numerator and denominator. Okay, therefore we get 43 by 6. Here we have to take the multiplication by 2 in numerator and denominator. Okay, for finding the same denominator, here given that 11 over 4, here we have to take the multiplication by 3, 4 3 is 12. Okay, and in this fraction we have to take the multiplication by 4. After multiplying these we get 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 8. It means that 86 over 6 2 is 12 minus 11 3 is 33 over 12 plus 19 4 is 76 over 3 4 is 12. Okay, this one look at here carefully. Here 12 12 12 are same denominators. Okay, therefore we can take only 12, and here we can write 86 minus 33 plus 76. Firstly we have to subtract 33 from this. Okay, then we get 86 minus 33. After subtracting this we get 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. After subtracting these we get 53 plus 76 over 12. Okay, so after adding these we get 3 plus 6 is 9 and 5 plus 7 is 12 over 12. Okay, this is an improper fraction. Okay, firstly we have to take the factor of this and this. Look at here carefully. 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9. Okay, and 3 4 is 12. Here 3 3 are cancelled out. After cancel these we get 43 over 4. Okay, lessons, this is an improper fraction. Therefore we have to change the given improper fraction into a mixed fraction by taking the division of 43 by 4. 4 1 is 4. After subtracting this we get 4 minus 4 is 0. It means that cancel out. Here we have to take 3 as same. We know that 3 is less than 4, therefore we can take 0 as quotient. 4 0 is 0, 3 minus 0 is 3. This is remainder. Okay, then after solving these we get 10 whole 3 over 4. This is your answer. Okay, students, if any student have doubt in this questions, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, now read this. Okay, students, now let's start last questions. It means that last part of this questions. Okay, question number 20 of D. In this question they are given that 9 over 7 over 9, 7 over 9 minus 6 over 7 plus 7 over 6 plus 7 over 6. Okay, okay, so look at here carefully. Here given that 9, 7 and 6 are not same denominator, therefore we can take LCM of 9, 7 and 6. Okay, look, we know that 9 is not divisible by 2, therefore we can take 9 as same. 7 is not divisible by 2, therefore we can take 7 and save here. Given that 6 is divisible by 2, 2 3 is 6. Again we have to take 3, 3 3 is 9, 7 1, 1 7 1, 7 1 is 7. Okay, then LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. 2 3 is 6 and 3 7 is 21. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. 126. Okay, students, the LCM of 9, 7 and 6 is 126. Okay, look. (126). Here 9, here 7 and here 6. Listen, look at it carefully. If we have to take the multiplication of 9 and 14, then we get 126. If we have to take the multiplication of 7 and 18, then we get 126. If we have to okay, since look at it carefully. If we have to take the multiplication of 9 and 14, then we get 9 14 9 is 126. If we have to take the multiplication of 7 and 18, 18 7 is 126. Similarly, we can take the multiplication of 6 and 21, then we get 21 6 is 126. Okay, students, then look at here carefully. In this fraction, we have to take the multiplication of 14 in numerator and denominator, minus in this fraction we have to take the multiplication of 18 in numerator and denominator, and in this fraction we have to take the multiplication of 21 in numerator and denominator. Okay, okay, students, after multiplying these we get 7 4 is 28, 7 4 is 28 and 7 1 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, and it means that 14 7 is 98 over 14 9 is 126, minus in this fraction, in this look at here carefully. In this fraction, after multiplying these, here we get 6 8 is 48, carry 4, 6 1 is 6 plus 4 is 10 over 18 7 is 126, plus 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14 over 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12. Now additions, look at here carefully. Here we get 126, 126, 126 are same denominator. Therefore, we can take 126 only one time, and we can write 98 minus 108 plus 147. Okay. Firstly, we have to add 98 plus 147. Okay. After adding this and this, we get 8 plus 7 is 5, 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 1 is 14, of 4 carry 1, 1 plus 1 is 2. After adding this and this, here we get 245 minus 108, 108 over 126. After subtracting these, we get 245 minus 108. Okay, students, look at here carefully. Here given that 5 and 8. 5 is less than 8, therefore we can take one borrow from 4, and this 5 makes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, and here we get 3 in place of 4. 3 minus 0 is 3, and here 2 minus 1 is 1. After solving these, we get 137 over 126. This means we know that 137 is greater than 126. It means that this is an improper fraction. Therefore we have to change this improper fraction into a mixed fraction by taking the division of 137 by 126. 126 1 ja 126. After subtracting these we get 11 as remainder. Okay, it means that the answer is 1 whole 11 over 126. 1 whole 11 over 126 is the answer of this question. Okay, it means that this is the answer of this question. Okay students, if any student have doubt in question number 20, please ask me on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay, dear students, please write all questions in your maths fair copy. After completed the given classwork, please send on my personal WhatsApp number. Okay students, after completed the given classwork, please show me. Okay, got it? Thank you.